Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom link to the navigation menu. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for around 5 years. Back here in the WordPress dashboard, over to the menu on the left, go to Appearance and Menus. So first of all, what is a custom link? A custom link is a link that you create and add to the menu as opposed to simply selecting existing pages. Let me show you what I mean by that, but the first thing we need to do is to choose the menu that we want to add the custom link to. So I'm going to choose the main navigation menu, and let's just quickly look at that menu on the blog. This is the menu right here. And I'm going to add another page to this menu, another tab. Go to Custom Links. And here's where we enter the URL. So this could be another website you own. It could even be a link to one of your social media channels. Or sometimes with certain WordPress themes, the home page is missing from the menu. And there should always be a link in the menu that goes back to the home page or the blog page, and the blog page is usually the home page. So to create a custom link and add it to the menu for the home page, all I would need to do is to put the URL of the home page of this blog in here and enter the text that I want to show up on the menu, which would be home, and click Add to Menu. I'm going to go ahead and delete this now because there already is a link to the home page on this menu, but that's how you would do it if your menu is missing the home page link. Remove, and that is how you create a custom link and add it to a navigation menu. And don't forget, when you're finished, save menu.